Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we are at 210 S Naches Ave in Yakima, and we will be viewing apartment number 9. This apartment is located through the back, so we would have to walk to the back of the building. It is on the main level floor. It is a studio. It does have its bathroom. Now, in order to get into the door, you need a key. So those two do beside here do have a key to get in there. It is down the hall, first door to your left, 210 S Naches, number 9. Once again, it's a studio. This is for heat and air conditioning. This door leads us into the closet. The other door is the bathroom. We have a bathtub. Okay. That is it. If you have any questions or would like to request an application, please call us at 509-314-4477. The phone number is located on the video. Someone's there to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once again, the address is 210 S Naches Avenue, apartment number 9. It is a studio here in Yakima. Thank you for watching.